Yeah, they were offering grants, and me and my sister decided to go for one because we needed work done around the house.
The Avondale Home Improvement Program, AHIP, is a forgivable loan home repair program for current Avondale residents to undertake exterior repairs to their homes.
It's just a blessing to have this program, you know, because like I said, I couldn't have had this work done by myself.
You know, we receive Social Security and retirement. And so that proposal that came about was actually something that we could benefit from.
You know, that I'm making right now, I couldn't afford it right away. It took me probably 3 or 4 more years to even get this project done, that they completed in less than 3 months.
ADC is extremely effective. They're good at community outreach, and now they're starting to expand into a real mission for community development where they're developing new homes. So fulfilling that part of the mission as well, and making those new homes, new construction, even rehabs, affordable to people that want to move back in Avondale or stay within Avondale.
Avondale Development Corporation was able to assist homeowners in the community in making critical repairs to their homes, such as new windows, new roofs, landscaping, concrete work, repairing sidewalks, and things of that nature.
We feel our strategic plan and programs like the Avondale Homeowners Improvement Program will go a long way to enable us to carve out our market of what is needed to assist the residents towards the growing of Avondale.
It's a win-win-win for everybody involved, man. The homeowners are happy, they're getting improvements to their home, the community, it's making the community look better as we go, and just everybody involved is winning.
We've been able to put roofs on, put new windows in. A lot of times they've been for years losing energy for bad windows. So we're putting new windows in, we're putting new cement around the homes. We're really, you know, improving the homes, which helps that homeowner, you know, quite a bit. It may have been years before they were able to do that.
We at Cincinnati Children's take a broad definition of what it takes to ensure that children in the community are healthy, and housing stability is important to that. Social determinants of health impact 90% of our health status, and so without organizations like ADC working on the housing issues and conditions in the community, the health of children will be compromised.
For more information about AHIP and the Avondale Development Corporation, please go to growavondale.org.